So hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I'm a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So in today's video I'm going to talk about a very important landmark judgment which comes under the ambit of international arbitration. So the name of the case is Chrome Alloy versus Arab Republic of Egypt, and it is a 2001 case. So in this video I'm just going to give you all the overview about the same. So in case of Chrome Alloy versus Arab Republic of Egypt, it was an arbitration case under the International Center for Settlement of Investment Dispute, which is the ICSID. So now talking about the case, so Chrome Alloy, a US corporation, had entered into a joint venture agreement with the Arab Republic of Egypt to establish a gas turbine manufacturing facility in Egypt. The dispute rose between Chrome Alloy and Egypt regarding the joint venture, leading to an initiation of arbitration proceedings under the ICSID. The main issues involved Egypt's alleged breaches of the joint venture agreement, including failure to provide infrastructure and incentives, delays in custom clearance, and interference in management decisions. So in this case, Chrome Alloy argued that Egypt's action amounted to expropriation and violations of fair and equitable treatment and full protection and security. The tribunal consisted of 3 arbitrators, with 1 arbitrator appointed by each party and the third chosen by the agreement. So in this case, the tribunal ruled in favor of Chrome Alloy and found that Egypt had breached its obligation under the joint venture agreement. The tribunal held that Egypt's failure to provide necessary infrastructure and customs clearance constituted a violation of its obligations. It also found that Egypt had interfered with Chrome Alloy's management decisions, which breached the agreement. The tribunal concluded that these breaches amounted to a violation of fair and equitable treatment and full protection and security owed to Chrome Alloy under the agreement. So as a result, in this case, the tribunal awarded Chrome Alloy substantial compensation, including damages for losses suffered, costs, and interest. So now I'm just going to summarize this. So Chrome Alloy versus Arab Republic of Egypt involved a dispute between Chrome Alloy and Egypt regarding a joint venture agreement. The tribunal ruled in favor of Chrome Alloy, finding that Egypt had breached its obligation, leading to the award of significant compensation to the investor. So if you guys have any doubt regarding this, you can just ping me in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much guys and have a nice day.